Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Purple car number 6 is off to drive along the road. Oh dear, that's a branch from the tree. Be careful. Look, the tree is growing, and now the branch is blocking the road. I wonder if the yellow car can get past. No, he can't. The branch is right in the way. What now? Oh, the little car has jumped right over the branch. But the branch is still in the way. Who can help? Helper cars! The helper cars are driving out of their garage.
We need your help. A tree is blocking the road. No one can get past.
Now there's a traffic jam. We need to get the tree out of the way urgently. The timber truck, with its powerful claw, is trying to move the branch. It's not working. Let's saw it off. The lift has brought a chainsaw. They're starting to saw very carefully, bit by bit. First here, then this branch, and the last part. That's great. Now the timber truck is taking all of the cut-off branches away, and the cars can all get past. The helper cars have decided that the big tree shouldn't be growing next to the road. They need to dig it out and plant it somewhere else. The digger is moving the soil with its big scoop. They need to dig out all the soil around the tree so as not to damage the roots. Just a bit more. The timber truck is grabbing the trunk with its claw and pulling the tree out of the ground. They'll plant the tree in the park, right here. The digger is finishing digging the hole for the tree. All done. The water truck has brought water. If they want the tree to grow well in its new home, they have to give it some help. What a great addition to the park! Thank you, helper cars.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
There's a red van coming along the road. What's it carrying? The van has drawn up to a toy shop. The back doors are opening. And out of the shop comes a forklift. Time to unload the boxes. Box number 1. The forklift is taking it into the shop. And box number 2. Goodbye, van. Thank you. They need to put the toys in the window display. The balls go here. A toy mouse and a bulldozer. Everything's ready. Who's going to visit the shop first? It's the little racing cars. They're off to drive on the track. Look, what a huge pipe! Down the slope. And here is the toy shop. Cars, do you want to see the new toys? Oh dear, the little cars can't see what's in the shop window. What about now? That's not working. Forklift, lift the little car up, please. Oh, too heavy. We need the helper cars. Let's go and call them. The little cars are off to the garage. Helper cars, can you help us, please? There are so many of them. The crane. The dumper truck. The excavator. And the cement mixer. The cars can build a ramp next to the shop. The little cars can drive up it and look into the shop window. The crane is choosing blocks for the ramp. A triangular prism. That will fit. Put that in the dumper truck. That's interesting. A cylinder. No. A cuboid. That's what this block is called. We can use that. The star. That's no use. Another cuboid. Let's take it. The dumper truck is taking the building blocks to the shop. The excavator is preparing a space for the foundations. He's dug a hole in front of the shop window. The cement mixer is pouring concrete into the hole. The concrete has set. That means it's time to place the building blocks on top. The cuboids and the triangular prisms. They've made a ramp and the little cars can drive up to look inside the shop window. So many toys. Why don't you choose, little cars? A ball, a bulldozer, and a stacking game. Thank you, helper cars. The little cars are having fun playing with the ball. And the big cars can have a bit of a rest.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
These are small gray cars. They sit on the platforms of a big car carrier. I wonder where they're going. The car carrier takes the cars to colorful pools. The pools are empty. This is a garage. Helper cars are leaving from it. A yellow concrete mixer. What's in its drum? Yellow paint. And there are cars with blue paint in the garage. And green. And red. Helper cars are taking paint to the colorful pools. Let's go! Green. Cars, go to the slide. They're in place. The drum rises. The yellow pool is filled with yellow paint. Red paint fills the red pool. Blue in the blue, and green in the green. Done! Now we can paint the small gray cars. They drive off the car carrier. One car climbs the yellow slide. Ah! It dove into the pool with paint. The car is yellow. Car number 1 is on the red slide. Go! Now it's a red car. Car number 5 became blue. And car number 4 is green. We painted all the small cars. The car carrier can go. And it's time for the concrete mixers to return to the garage.
Helper cars.